APPN Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Appian Corporation stock. $37.62 is where we're at. 17% up. I'm actually quite surprised about this movement, but it's not something that I have not seen. I've done 36,000 videos, you know. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors over the last 4 years. So I've seen what's working for me, what's not. And all of it has been documented on my YouTube channel. But yeah, guys, specifically looking at APPN, unless I really see like the price like really giving me certain breaks here, I mean, that's going to be my target, because I'm technically still in this bearish range from right here. That's interesting. But on the lower time frame, potentially if it does pull down inside my demand, like I'm talking like experiencing like a shift and a double break, then and only then I'll buy. Now guess what I'm gonna do in the meantime? I mean, with APPN nothing, I'll just follow other ticker symbols. So if you want to make more money trading in a very simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.